street style store of whoa. Hey guys, this is Ricky. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, it's been really while that I created some video for my channel, but yeah, again, as I told before also, it's better than the never. So I came back with a new video which is a clothing haul. So yeah, मैंने मेरे पुराने कुछ haul video आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद आए थे, तो मैंने सोचा कि why not to bring a new haul for you guys. So here I am with another haul video, and this is about the street style store. So you guys must have heard about this website. So guys, ये वेबसाइट तो बहुत ही पुरानी है, बट इट्स नॉट दैट पॉपुलर. लाइक इवन आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड क्वाइट मेनी टाइम्स फॉर फ्रॉम दिस वेबसाइट को लेके, तो आई डिडंट हैव अ गुड इम्प्रेशन ऑफ दिस वेबसाइट बिफोर. बट लेटली जब मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल कर रही थी, तो मैंने बहुत सारे एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखे इस वेबसाइट के. देन आई वाज लाइक कि ओके, दिस इज बैक और व्हाट. So guys, honestly बताओ तो pictures में all those new collections like grabbed my attention, to be very honest, and I was like let's give it a try. क्या पता कुछ changes आए होंगे website में regarding the quality, regarding other policies. So let's give it a try. So I have tried it again, and now in this video I'm gonna share you my experience of shopping with this street style store website. Yeah. Without any further ado, let's jump to the video. एंड गाइज, अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक द लाइक बटन, ऑल दोस फॉर्मेलिटीज, शेयर, बेल बटन एंड एवरीथिंग गाइज. दैट मीन्स अ वर्ल्ड टू मी. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, लेट्स डायरेक्टली जंप टू द वीडियो. ठीक है, सो वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैं एक डिस्क्लेमर दे दूँ कि ये वीडियो कोई स्पॉन्सर वीडियो नहीं है. येस, ये 100% ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू करने जा रही हूँ मैं इस वेबसाइट के. सो जो भी चीज़ें अच्छा खराब है, जो कुछ भी मैं इस वेबसाइट के बारे में बोलूँगी, दैट विल बी 100% ट्रू. सो यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो नाउ. ओके गाइस, सो इफ यू गाइस डोंट नो तो लेट मी टेल यू, यहाँ पे मेनली कैटेगरी वाइज सेल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 टॉप वेयर for 999 rupees, 3 footwear for 999 rupees. Then there's other category like 3 top wear for 1199 rupees, so stuff like that. And one that I bought is like 3 for 1199 rupees. So yes, तो मैं अपने पुराने एक्सपीरियंस से बता दूँ, मैंने कुछ ड्रेसेस लिए थे वहाँ पे, and that didn't come out good, and that's why I was like get pissed off about this website. तो कुछ अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था नहीं पहले, and I wanted to return that initially, and that was like there was no return policy. आपका exchange policy है, तो अगर आप कुछ return करना चाहोगे तो it will not happen. But yeah, policy is still the same. कुछ भी changes नहीं हुए हैं. But now I'll talk about the clothing and the material. Okay, so my first purchase is this one. This is white color top, and when I saw this in website, I was like oh my god, this अगर ये सच में वैसा आ जाएगा तो it will be like amazing. And guess what? This is beyond my expectation what I got. I'm so happy with this purchase. इसकी जो डिज़ाइन है यहाँ पे काफ़ी सुंदर है. It fits me really well. You can see the flow, man. Like I just love this top. आप इसको आराम से ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. It looks really well, and I'm in love with the hand design, man. Can you see the puff? Also the neck design is superbly awesome with a nice back. You can style it like this also. Looks so fancy, and yeah, I'm in love with this top. Okay, so second purchase is this one, this lavender color top, and can you see the color? I got this as it is shown in the picture. Yes, trust me, and I was amazed when it got delivered कि टॉप के टेक्सचर इतने ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट थे. I was very happy with it, and इसकी फिटिंग भी काफ़ी अच्छी है guys. Like I was so happy with this purchase as well. This is full bodycon fitting top, and I just love the fit, you guys. This kind of design looks so trendy and way too stylish. Can you see this? I just love that, and the way it falls and the way it fit, this is so amazing, you guys. It also has the same puffy sleeves which looks extremely awesome. So yeah, overall I'm in love with this top. Okay, so the next purchase is this one, this floral print new top, and it has the same neck design that the white one has. It falls so well on your shoulder, and it has this elastic wala design on your waist side, which helps the top to fall it in a right place. It has a nice back as well with the same elastic fit, and yeah, the hand, how can I forget this? I love the hand design, you guys. The perfect puffy sleeve is what I got it in this top, you guys. And yeah, you can style it as a off shoulder as well. It looks so perfect. So yeah, I didn't find any negative thing in this one. So yeah, 10 on 10. All of the top is of true size and none of the top is transparent. You cannot say it's a sheet top. You have to think a lot wearing something within it beneath the top. So this is all these top are amazing, I'm telling you. And if you distribute the price, it would be like $3.99 per top, which is amazing. Okay guys, so that's all for the haul. Yeah, and if you ask me about like how's your experience shopping with the street style store, so I would say it's amazing. And it's amazing because I really loved all of my purchase. If you guys wanna try it, go try it out. I don't think you will be disappointed. And yeah, that's all. And considering the delivery date, guys, I got my delivery in 3-4 days. Initially एक महीने लग जाते थे, but this time I got it in 3-4 days, so that was fine. So guys, that's all for the video now. Hope आप लोग को ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आए. And guys, अगर आप लोग को कोई भी queries है इन वेबसाइट को लेके, please comment down below. I'm gonna answer them all. And guys, don't forget to like the like button, subscribe the channel, bell button and everything. It means world to me. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ख्याल रखो अपना. कोविड फिर से आ गया है, so we have to take care of ourselves. Stay home, stay safe, and double mask करना मत भूलना. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, I love you.